One of the most important trends of today's world is the sudden upsurge in the statement that topic. There is a widespread worry that this will lead to a myriad of concerns in the world. This essay will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the above statement, which relates to the fact that topic using a pragmatic approach. To commence with, there are several arguments in favor of my stance. The most important one not only includes betterment of the society but also includes the positive development of every individual on the planet. Because of the countless benefits, not only can one gain more when it comes to being successful and effective, but they can also improve their efficiency, productivity, and quality of life with a great deal of efficacy and convenience. Another crucial factor in the aforementioned statement is that it is only likely to assist one to flourish, progress, and excel in a variety of fields and disciplines. Consequently, only when an individual adheres to such a system, they can expand their horizons, skills, and acquire qualities such as commitment, dedication, and perseverance. Hence, it is evident why many are in favor of the fact that topic. Lastly, in my opinion, the government of Australia is taking a great initiative in educating its citizens against the negative impacts of the statement that topic. Citizens are being encouraged to follow the applicable laws as well as rules and regulations to promote prosperity, productivity, efficiency, and a positive environment in the world.